Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TOSCIDO M863. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices. Then you need to install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer and open it. From this screen here, choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, choose Receive on TOSCIDO and Send on Android smartphone. Then tap on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by using this scanning icon over here, choosing Allow in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and click on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!